wow.
Good job. Good job.
That was a Hail Mercy. Stay with it! You have no one to pass it to.
Good shot!
Good job!
Good shot! Tornadoes! Woo! Yes! Broke the tie. Good job! He was determined. I seen it in front of his goal.
Yep. You could tell in his speed. Maya, stop.
Get on him! Get it! Get the ball!
Cut him off!
There we go!
There
Get
you
back
go.
up the field! Wes got this. Wes got. Told you he's got dribbles. His dribbles are so good. He's got good dribbles since he first met him. He needs that second one. He got that first one to get around you. You get one more. Oh, get it! Get it! Get good one! Good foot. That foot. Drew got that foot.
Yeah. Get it out of there.
Save that one.
Take it.
Come on, come back! Go, 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 go! Go with it! Yes.
Just a couple more minutes. Just a couple more
Couple
minutes.
more minutes. This is what
Cut
happened
the
last
sucker
week.
off.
We was
Cut the
on
sucker
90
off.
that every
Yeah.
Come on, Tornadoes! Couple more minutes. Let's hold it this time. Let's hold this. Get him a W. Get him a W. Thank you.
There we go. Oh.
Back here, Jordan. Get it, get it, get it. Cut out. Yes.
There you go.
Go. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. He's going to get it. You got to slow down right there. Bring it back, bring it back. Jordan, you got to cut through the middle. Look right there. Look straight ahead. Look straight ahead. Both of your guys. There we go. Keep pushing. Shoot it. Good shot. Go back. Go back. Go back.
Stop,
Good
Maya.
shot, though, Gavin.
Hey, that goalie got a foot on him.
Yes, he definitely got some foot on him. Get back there. Good job. Good job. Good clearance. They want it. Go on, they want it. Good job, guys. Middle, middle, middle. I'm with the middle. The middle do be wide open.
Yep.
I am so with the middle.
Maya, stop.
Defense.
She wanted me to pick her up. Now then she wanted to put it down.
I know.
In 6 seconds, she wanted to run it out. I believe I'm going to slide in and get his story.
Oh, he's loving that. There we go.
Back! Yes. They forget. They do be forgetting. They sit there for a minute like some deer.
I know. And try to get as close as possible, like he's just going to hand it
then
to
when you
him.
say back, they do. They be like, oh, yes.
Take her off
we do
running.
supposed to go back.
Yeah.
You remember when we first did this last year? They did never go back. They
Yep.
were sitting down there. I see growth.
Uh-huh.
I see a lot of growth.
Hey, even Tai Chi made some connections with the ball.
Yeah.
Good
Gotta
job.
They are pushing. I don't know what got into the little ones. Something got into them. They are pushing. I'm watching it. Magic.
There you go.
There you go. Slow it down, slow it down. You're good, you're good. Good game, Tornadoes. Good game.
No one's coming back.
Look back, look back. Look at the ball, look back. Stay on him, Jordan, behind you. Behind you. Stay on him. Stay on him. Right there. Stay on him. Keep going up the field. There you go.
Oh.
Good job. Good job.
Hey, we got
Good
headshots.
job.
We're getting some headshots.
Hey, Sub, you go 7, you know 7, right?
Hey, he's gonna get them in together the last couple minutes.
Here we go. Cut it in. You want to get that? Uh-oh.
No, you got it. You got it. Stop.
Don't touch me. Don't touch. Look back, Tornadoes, look back.
Woo!
Right there, Jordan, right there, right there. Get back.
Come on, take it, take it, take it. Cut it off!
Get there.
Pick it up!
Yeah! Woo! Good job, Tornadoes. Hustling.
Yeah.
Hey, they need McDonald's. They all need food. Good job, guys.
That then?